Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is how to hide Amazon order history. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to amazon.com and make sure to sign in into your account. And from here, just simply go ahead and go to your returns and orders. And after that, since I don't have an order yet, I won't be able to show you. But if you do, you should be able to see the archive hyperlink. So just simply click on archive order. It will be located at the bottom left corner. And after that, a pop-up will show up. And guys, from there, you should be able to see down below the archive order button. And guys, remember, you can archive up to 500 orders. And now if you want to see your archive orders, just simply go to your account over here. And now from here, as you can see, you should be able to see here archive orders. So from here, when you click on this, you could see all of the archive orders. And from here, you can unarchive it back. And that's simply about it. And there you go. I hope this video helped you understand more about Amazon, and thanks for watching. See ya.